What is going on, guys? Today we're going to be doing a satisfying garden harvest POV. Take a look at all my tomatoes. There's so many to harvest right now. Now I am holding my camera in one hand. We're going to do this in one take to try to keep it as smooth as possible. So look right here, plenty to harvest. Let's see if we can get like 50 of them. Let's go ahead and start. 1, 2, 3. Now hopefully we can get at least 50. So I brought this little white basket. 4, 5. Oh, we dropped one. There we go. 6, 7. Now you can harvest these right here, even though it has a little bit of coloration. That means you can ripen them off the vine. So 7, 8, 9. Oh, here we go. 10. Let's put it down real quick. 10 so far. 11, 12, 13. There we go. 14. Man, so many. 15, 16. Oh, there's a lot back there too, you can tell. 17, 18. Let's put them down real quick. 18 so far. 19, 20. Wow, so many, guys. A lot more to go. Let's get in here real quick. 21, 22. Okay, let's see. Let's go over here now. 22 so far. 23, 24, 25, 26. There we go. Look at all that, guys. 26. Let's see here. 27, 28, 29, 30. Beautiful. So amazing, guys. 31. Wow, this is a big bunch right here. 32, 33, 34. Let's put that down real quick. 34, 35, 36. Let's go in here real quick. Uh-oh, it's hard to get. 36, 37. Let's keep going. Oh, 37, 38, 39, 40. There we go. Let's grab this little one right here. 41. Wow, we're almost at 50, guys. 41 so far. 42, 43, 44. Let's put them down. Oh, some hiding down here. Let's get these real quick. 44, 45, 46, 47. Like, there we go. 47. Let's grab them all at once. Guys, I think we might have way more than 50. 47. Oh, this one has a little bit of coloration. 48. Look at that so far, guys. All these tomatoes, 48. Let's go into the other side. We got some hiding back here. 49, 50. Wow, 51, 52. I wonder how many we're going to get. Maybe like 75? 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. There we go. 57, 58. Let's do a couple more. 58, 59, 60, 61. Let's put those down. 61. Let's see here. Let's do a couple more over here. 62, 63. Let's get this one. Color is good. I can ripen it off the vine. Wow. Look at this, guys. 63. Oh wait, there's one more. Let's grab this one real quick right here. 64. And let's see if there's anything else. You can see right here, guys. 64 tomatoes. Holy crap, from one single harvest. But not only that though, look at the plant. There's still so many more tomatoes to harvest. Tons. God, I'm so happy about this tomato harvest right here. 64, guys. As always, happy gardening.